Welcome to this video, where we will guide you through the simple process of adjusting the scene volume in the Calm app. Whether you want to lower the volume for a more subtle background or increase it for better focus, changing the volume settings is quick and easy. First, open the Calm app on your phone. Next, tap the home icon at the bottom. Then, look at the top left corner and tap the small triangle icon. After that, look within this menu to find the option labeled Scene Volume. You will notice a slider bar next to it. To adjust the volume, simply drag the slider to increase the volume or to decrease it. This lets you customize the sound level to your liking, whether you prefer softer or louder ambient sounds during your session. Finally, once you have set the volume to your desired level, you can exit the menu and return to your meditation or relaxation activity. The new volume setting will apply immediately, enhancing your experience with Calm. By following these simple steps, you can easily control the sound to match your mood and preferences for a more enjoyable session.